Hey folks, let's talk about what just happened. On April 7th, the S&P 500 bottomed intraday at 4,835. Today, we're above 5,800. That's a 20% rally in 3 weeks. But that's not the real story. The real story is what you did or didn't do when markets dropped. We had a fast, painful correction. The headlines said war, inflation, recession. Most people froze, or worse, they sold. But 3 weeks ago, I told my clients, get your cash ready. Some of them did. This is the opportunity we've been waiting for. And here's what happened next. None of my clients sold. None of my clients called. Everybody just enjoyed their life right through the panic. A few added their cash that they had on the sidelines into their accounts, and we invested it into great companies. Some got very close to the bottom. And yes, some are already feeling a little regret, not because they panicked, but because they waited too long and missed the first leg up. That's a good kind of error. It's an error of omission. That's okay. We'll get more chances, but here's the win. They didn't make the big mistake. Selling low, panicking, going to cash, which means selling everything, in a down market, destroying decades and decades of compounding in one emotional moment. Remember, never interrupt the compounding. How many of you know someone who did that last month? Or they probably don't admit it. They probably don't tell you. But just judging by the way they were talking, maybe they need a second opinion on their investments. They bailed, and now they're watching this rally from the sidelines. Should refer them to me, because protecting people from that big mistake, that's my job. This morning, the S&P broke above its 200-day moving average around 5750. That's a major technical signal, not a guarantee about anything, but it is a milestone. If the momentum holds, this could be the next phase of the bull market. Look, I don't try to predict where the market's going short term, because nobody does it well. That's what I used to do in my hedge fund days when I was a trader way back when. I helped my clients stop sabotaging themselves. I build plans that hold up when markets drop, and when the headlines scream panic, chaos everywhere, I keep people focused on owning the future. So here's the question. Are you reacting to markets or taking advantage of them? Or even better, just living your life in peace? If you're still sitting in cash hoping for the perfect moment, it just passed. You want wealth? Own great businesses. Avoid the big mistake. Let's talk. Schedule a call with the link below and stay the course.